Hi there guys again. Again I've got this Audi R8. We're gonna replace the brake pad on it. As you can see, it's worn out. Normally we change the disc as well, but it's quite expensive and the customer don't want to spend that much of money, so basically you have to move these pins. There are 2 pins and 2 bolts. You need a nice slim punch to hit from outside all the way through and pull it from here out, and then the same thing on the upper one, hit it from the outside into inside, so then pull it out. And there's a strong clip here. Let me put the lights on where you can see it. These clips, make sure they're springing, not to hurt you. You have to be careful with that, and then take these bolts off. Okay, and that's it.